All right, so this is 11:53, which means in Texas it's gonna be almost 12, and in about 2 hours' time, the London session uh, should be open. So what am I looking at so far? What am I looking at for this beautiful day slash week? All right, so for DXY, I'm looking at DXY to be bullish, to continue going up like it's done this way. So I'll be waiting for this resistance right here to be broken. It happens to be a Fibonacci 0.618 for this swing low, and also this trend line on 15 minutes. So I want this to be broken, and then we should come test the top of this trend line. If that happens, that'll be a very good one. If that is the case, then it means that EURUSD you can sell. We sell EURUSD. So which level am I looking to sell EURUSD to? Firstly, I'm looking to sell EURUSD to this level. Another pair that I would like to sell is AUDUSD. I have the setup right here. AUDUSD, a beautiful sell like this, a beautiful sell like this for AUDUSD. That would be a beautiful one. Another pair that I'm looking at for today is gold. I would like to sell gold. I like to sell gold. And my apologies for navigating like through two different screens like that. So I like to sell gold from here to this level right there. And if that's broken, we'll continue. But for today, to this level right there for gold. And Bitcoin is a very interesting one. Okay, for Bitcoin, it will be good for Bitcoin if it breaks this level here. I think we're gonna sell. It's gonna drop some $2,000 value, at the least for me today. Likewise, Ethereum, we're looking at selling Ethereum also. So to this level right there. Pretty much that's what I'm looking at so far for today. Let me know what you're trading. Let me know if this makes any sense to you. And hopefully we're gonna have a good trading week. All right, guys. So let me know. My name is Michael. I will catch you in the next class.